Welcome to our new tutorial on our channel. If you no longer have access to your old phone number or have changed it for any reason, I will show you how to change your phone number on your Binance account so you can continue to use this application securely and reliably. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in the Binance app. Let's get started. Open the Binance app on your device. Log into your account. I am already logged in. After login, click on Binance icon in top left corner. Then, tap on your account name. Open the security section. Among other security settings, you'll find the phone number field. Tap on it. Here you'll see your current phone number. To change your phone number, tap on the pencil icon. A window will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to change your phone number. Be sure to read the displayed text. Withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours after removing your phone number verification to ensure safety of your assets. Also, 2 security verification methods are required for withdrawals and other actions. Using only one verification method will put your account at greater risk. Pay attention to these items. Think again, and if you're sure you want to change the number, click on Continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Once you receive the code, enter it into the field. I get code on my Gmail account on desktop. Enter your new phone number. I won't be changing my phone number, so I'll just demonstrate the process for you. In the field below the number, press Get Code to get the code on your new phone number. When you receive the code, enter it in this field. Finally, press the Submit button. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.